You're spending anywhere from $700 to $2,000 on an electric range. And getting it wrong is not an option. Here's what nobody tells you. The range that looks best in the showroom is often not the one that performs best in your kitchen. We went through lab testing from Consumer Reports, Yale Appliances multi-year service call data, and thousands of verified buyer reports to build this definitive 2026 countdown. A budget range on this list boiled water 18% faster than the competition in lab testing. Samsung, one of the most popular names in kitchen appliances right now, shows up at number 2. And appliance repair professionals have a specific reason they warn buyers away that Samsung's marketing will never tell you. The number 1 pick holds a 2.4% service rate, second lowest of any brand tracked. Product links are in the description. Let's kick things off at number 6. The Frigidaire 30-inch electric range with air fry, model FCRE3083AS, sits around the $743 mark, making it the most affordable entry on today's list. And before you dismiss it as a basic budget pick, understand this. It won a 2024 Food Network Editor's Pick Award. That's a recognition based on real cooking performance, not price point charity. The FCRE3083AS brings a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven with built-in air fry. No separate appliance, no extra counter clutter. Crispy results come directly from your oven. The even temp element is what differentiates the cooktop at this price. It's engineered to distribute heat uniformly across the element's surface, cutting down those frustrating hot and cold spots that burn one side of your food while leaving the other underdone. Cleanup is handled through a 3-hour self-clean cycle, and the redesigned Store More storage drawer is wider than earlier versions, actually roomy enough to hold spare oven racks and full-size baking trays, which previous iterations couldn't do. Real verified buyer feedback points clearly in 2 directions. Many users report genuinely loving the air fry function, and preheat times are noticeably faster compared to older coil-top units. However, a consistent pattern of complaints surfaces about the ceramic cooktop scratching more easily than expected. One verified buyer on Walmart reported visible scratches within a month of careful daily use. For the buyer who wants name brand dependability with air fry capability under $800, this is a legitimate starting point. Just protect that glass cooktop and go in with realistic expectations about surface durability. Number 5 is the Whirlpool 30-inch freestanding electric range, model WFE525S0J. And it earns its spot not by dazzling you in the store, but by not failing you in the kitchen 2 years down the road. According to Yale Appliances multi-year service call tracking, one of the most cited reliability datasets in the entire appliance industry, Whirlpool consistently ranks among the top brands for low service rates on electric ranges. That's not brand reputation built on marketing. That's actual repair data from thousands of real installations across the country. The WFE525S0J offers a 5.3 cubic foot oven with Whirlpool's frozen bake technology. In practical terms, that means you skip the preheat cycle entirely for frozen meals. Frozen lasagna, pizza, and breaded appetizers go straight into a cold oven and come out properly cooked on schedule. For households where frozen items are a weekly reality, that's a genuinely time-saving feature that gets used constantly, not occasionally. Consumer Reports. Testing of the WFE525S0 series documented above-average baking consistency, with cookies and cakes emerging evenly baked across multiple rack positions. That's a benchmark many electric ranges at this price point fail to consistently meet. The fingerprint-resistant stainless exterior stays cleaner between cleanings, and the adjustable self-clean cycle handles the heavy-duty oven grease. Here's the straightforward picture. This range does not air fry. It's not smart connected. It won't run from your phone. What it does is cook reliably, bake evenly, and hold up over years of daily use. For the practical buyer whose top priority is a no-drama, dependable daily workhorse under $900 from a brand with documented reliability, the Whirlpool WFE525S0J makes a strong, evidence-backed case. Number 4 is the one that surprises most people. The Cosmo 30-inch electric convection range, model COS-ERC305, WKTD is a professional-style range that outperforms what its price tag suggests, and it does it with specs that beat both entries above it on this list. Start with the oven, 6.3 cubic feet of capacity, larger than both the Frigidaire and Whirlpool covered above. For context, that's enough space to handle a 22-pound Thanksgiving turkey without creative maneuvering. The cooktop uses shot Siren glass ceramic panels, the same material found in premium European appliances, known for combining ceramic glass heat resistance with structural durability. The spill-proof design overlaps the cooktop panel over the range sides, containing spills and preventing them from falling into the hard-to-clean gaps that plague most freestanding ranges. Cosmo sells this model directly through their website and through major retailers, including Amazon and Best Buy, at a price point that significantly undercuts comparable feature-for-feature ranges from established names like GE and Samsung. The 5-burner layout includes a 3,200-watt dual-element burner designed to work efficiently with both large stock pots and smaller saucepans, plus a 100-watt warming center to hold finished dishes at serving temperature without continuing to cook them. The oven runs 8 cooking functions: bake, convection roast, pizza, air fry, broil, warm, and proof. The dedicated pizza mode and proof setting are tools that serious home cooks actually use, and that most ranges at this price skip entirely. Cosmo also built in an oven cavity cooling ventilation system with overheating protection and a cool-to-touch oven handle. Safety engineering details that communicate genuine build quality thinking. The fair trade-off: Cosmo doesn't have 2 decades of Yale service rate data behind it the way GE and Whirlpool do. Early verified buyer feedback on Amazon is solidly positive. People highlight fast heat up, ease of use, and build quality. But long-term performance tracking is still accumulating data. Understand that trade-off going in, and the Cosmo COS-ERC 305WKTD is a hard value to argue against. Number 3 is where the conversation changes completely. The Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch induction range, model GCFI 3060BF, isn't simply a better electric range. It's a fundamentally different cooking technology that standard radiant electric cannot compete with on speed or precision. Here's the lab result that matters. Reviewed.com's independent testing found this induction cooktop boiling water at 59 seconds per pound of water, 18% faster than their average rate across all induction burners tested. That speed is felt every single day, whether you're waiting on pasta water, blanching greens, or reducing a pan sauce that can't afford to sit on low heat for long. The 6.2 cubic foot oven is powered by Frigidaire's total convection system, which unlocks over 15 cooking modes: air fry, steam bake, steam roast, convection roast, slow cook, air sous vide, bread proof, dehydrate. These are not marketing checkboxes. Each mode adjusts both temperature and airflow for the specific cooking task at hand. A built-in temperature probe removes guesswork from meat and poultry. The oven stops cooking exactly when the right internal temperature is reached. Templock technology on the cooktop holds your selected temperature steady without fluctuating, which makes it genuinely well suited for simmering delicate sauces that would break or scorch on a standard electric burner. Because induction only heats the pan, not the surrounding cooktop surface, spills stay on a cool, flat surface and wipe off while you're still cooking. No baked-on messes from a rogue boil-over. Reviewed.com's critical note: the touch-based cooktop controls have a steep learning curve and can feel unintuitive in daily use, potentially frustrating for buyers who prefer the tactile certainty of physical knobs. That adjustment period is real and worth factoring in. The GCFI 3060BF currently carries a 4.7 out of 5, rating from over 4,774 verified reviewers at PC Richard, sustained satisfaction at meaningful scale. At around $1,799 after current manufacturer rebates, this is the best value induction range on this entire list. Number 2 is the Samsung Bespoke Smart Slide-In Electric Range, model NSE6DG8300SR. This is the range for the buyer who wants premium features, a refined design, and smart home integration, packaged at a price point that stays under the GE profile. The 6.3 cubic foot oven is the largest on this entire list. 5 burners include 2 dual ring elements that adapt output to your cookware size automatically. Air fry is built directly into the oven with a dedicated tray included. Convection cooking circulates heat evenly across the full oven cavity. An embedded griddle on the cooktop maintains constant surface temperature for cooking proteins, sandwiches, and breakfast foods. A practical daily feature that most ranges in this category skip entirely. Samsung's precision knobs require a deliberate pinch, press, and turn before the cooktop activates, making accidental burner activation nearly impossible. A genuine safety engineering win for homes with young children. The SmartThings app handles remote preheating, cooking progress monitoring, and voice control through Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Both self-clean and steam clean options are on board. Use steam for everyday maintenance and self-clean for the heavy-duty cycles every few months. The bespoke design with a recessed handle gives this range a genuinely built-in appearance that most freestanding ranges at this price can't come close to. Now the documented concern, and this is precisely why it lands at number 2 instead of number 1. Yale Appliances service rate tracking and 9 independent appliance repair professionals surveyed by Prudent Reviews both flag Samsung as carrying meaningfully higher long-term service risk compared to GE and Whirlpool. Owner satisfaction. In the short term runs high. But the gap between what short-term owners say and what repair professionals see after 3 to 5 years of use is a documented pattern. That's the data Samsung's marketing won't share with you. Factor it in before committing to a $1,100 plus purchase. And number 1 is the GE Profile 30-inch Smart Slide-In Electric Convection Range, model PSS93YPFS. This pick is built entirely on third-party data. Yale Appliances service rate tracking, which monitors actual repair call rates from thousands of real-world installations, recorded the GE Profile appliance line at just 2.4%, the second lowest service rate of all brands tracked in the industry. Separately, the New York Times named GE the best electric range brand based on a combination of cooking performance, value at price point, and design quality. 2 completely independent credibility sources. 2 completely different evaluation methodologies. Both arrive at the same brand. That kind of convergence is not coincidence. The PSS93YPFS is a true slide-in design. It sits flush with your countertops and eliminates the visible gap that exposes freestanding ranges at the sides. The true European convection system uses a dedicated third heating element paired with a reversing fan, a configuration that delivers the highest level of heat circulation available in this class. Multi-rack baking in lab conditions consistently outperforms standard 2-element convection setups, which means you can actually use all 3 rack positions at once without the bottom rack burning and the top rack undercooking. No preheat air fry means food goes into a cold oven, you select the function, and the results come out crispy. The 3,800 watt broiler and 2,850 watt bake element are among the strongest wattage specifications in this class of range. The power boil element flexes between 12-inch, 9-inch, and 6-inch configurations to match whatever cookware you're working with. Practical flexibility on a cooktop you use every single day. Built-in Wi-Fi connects to the Smart HQ app for remote preheat scheduling, real-time monitoring, and alerts. Steam Clean handles everyday grease and residue between deep clean cycles. The fingerprint-resistant stainless finish keeps the surface presentable even on the most chaotic weekday mornings. At approximately $1,693, this is a premium price. But when you stack the second lowest service rate in the industry, multi-rack baking performance, a true slide-in flush fit, high wattage cooking specs, and full smart connectivity together, no other range on this list assembles the complete package this tightly or this reliably. That is why it is number 1. And that is the full 2026 electric range breakdown. 6 options, ranked by real lab testing, documented service data, and verified buyer experience. The right pick depends on your budget, how often you cook, and how long you need this appliance to last. Drop your questions in the comments. What range are you currently running, and what's driving your upgrade decision? Hit like and subscribe so you catch the next buying guide. All 6 product links with the most current pricing are in the description below.